this is Sharif Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. We're also this week combining with Chicks and Kicks Stamping Collab, which I am part of. So we are going to dive in. We're going to do some stamping, of course, using SheModern products. We have a set of nails here that we're going to be using. Some active length square nails, I guess you could say. And we've got 2 stamping plates we're using. They're off Amazon. But they're like a no-name plate. There's nothing on them. Let's get my mug out of the way to say what plates they are. I'm digging this turkey here. I wish I had a nail big enough to do it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. That'll be for Thanksgiving. But I'm going to use these 3 little Indians right here. Some of the arrows and feathers. I'm going to use the apples right here. So first we're going to dive in with the apples, which are going on the pinky nail. I'm really super out of, or very, very low on my black stamping polish. Just hold it up to the light. I got like a smidge in there, so I'm having to improvise. I'm going to use the jelly red stamping polish for the apples. I will be filling them in, I think. Whoops, that's not the right one. That's not the right one. Apples, apples. So bring it on down, cover the image. Get my scraper, my SheModern resistant jelly reinforced stamper. Resistant. Yeah, I guess you could say resistant. It is reinforced. There is a plastic plate inside which stops the stamper from caving in. And if you're into stamping, you need one of these. Okay. We got us some apples. Now to line them up on the nail. Oh my god, there's something on the stamper. Oh. Okay, I didn't transfer it, so it's beautiful. I don't know what's on my stamper head, but something. There we go. Now, the apples, I think, I want to try doing 2 different things with the apples. Not sure if this is going to pan out. First, I'm going to use the red hollow glitter colored. This is an old product by SheModern. It's only going to stick to the red outline, which is signed by me. So I'm just going to pat. Just all over the nails, and when you feel it's not sticky anymore, you got enough on, you can slightly rub it all over the nail to make sure it's covered. Get you a, whoopsie. Don't get you a whoopsie. Get you a fluffy brush to brush it off your nail. You put this aside. We got some sparkly little apples. Now, I want to color this in, but is it going to take the sparkle away? I don't know what to do. So at this point, we're just going to move on with our stamping. Has to be off of this plate. I think I'm taking these 3 feathers right here. I'm going to try my very best is to use my black opaque. I do not know how much is left in here. Thank you, Jesus. There is enough to cover these 3 feathers. Beautiful, because I feel I am out. SheModern has just released 15 ml bottles, which is beautiful. It's 3 times the size of this bottle here. 3 times the size, ladies. Head over to SheModern.com. Use my code NailedIt67. Save yourself 10%. Get yourself the new bigger bottles. Use my code, 10% off. Nailed it 67. So now I'm going to use the black Calo glitter color. And I'm going to tap, tap, tap over the nails. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your nail off. And we have some beautiful, beautiful glittery nails. Well, we got nails too, but you know what I mean. One of them looks like a little bear. I don't know if I got enough sticky stamping polish in here to do it. I'm going to try. If not, let me see, what do I got out here? I got gray. I'm going to pray and hope like the Dickens I have enough to do these. This is the little, looks like a little bear. Looks like a little bear to me. How cute is he? How cute is he? I want to take, what did I do with it? Here. And my tray. I'm going to put, whoopsie. See it sticking to the polish. Tap, tap, tap. Brush it off. We have us a glittery little Indian. And he looks like a little bear. I think he is just so adorable. The little girl Indian. I'm going to pull the gray out for her. I have plenty of gray. Oops. I think we have got, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we got our beautiful, I think we have glitter on the stamping plate if I'm not mistaken. It sure felt like it. It sure felt like it. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that. So I'm going to take this time, I'm going to completely clean my plate. Okay, we're going to dive back in. Kind of want to do her in the red. I'm going to tap the red onto her off camera so I'm not contaminating the plate again. This is sticky stamping polish, so the glitter will stick to it. You just tap on, and once you don't feel stickiness anymore, you can rub it in. Oops, here we go. There's our little Indian girl. Next we will do the Indian boy. I'm going to try for the black with him. Oh boy. I've knocked the bottle over twice so it's not settled on the bottom anymore for me to get the ample amount of polish. You know, what's left in the bottle. These little Indian kids are just so cute. So very cute. There we go. Once again, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to use the black. Get your fluffy brush. Brush her off. And here's a little Indian boy. I think this is so cute so far, but we're not done yet. We're not done. Some arrows. And put, I don't know how much black. I want them in black, but I don't know. Let's see if I can get this. I have to sit it away from me so I don't knock it over again. Alright, we got it. There we go. It says love with the 2 arrows. We put next. I think I want some feathers, but I'm going to do them in gray. Let me see, what do I have out? Yeah, we're going to go with the gray. Knock the black over one more time. Beautiful pickup. There we go. Get a black one now. Ugh. Okay, it worked. It worked. Over the little boy now. He gets the bigger feather. Now, I do want to color the apples in with the, we'll try with the opaque red watercolor. Hopefully this will work. I'm hoping. I hope I'm in frame. Try to concentrate here. I think that's good right there, folks. Wipe off my brush. That's okay. Memento. Okay. This is our Manny. I'm going to pause, let this nail dry. We will come back to top coat. Okay, we are back. I believe our nails are dry. You can lightly touch. No red. So we can top coat now. Our little Indian manicure for today. Oh my god, that reminds me of Dirty Dancing at the end. The sister, when she's singing that song, oh my lord. I'm sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I will keep my singing disabilities to myself. Oh lordy. Hope you've enjoyed my little Indian manicure for today. I think they turned out really cute. Really cute. So I'm going to pop her in the lamp. Give her a full 60 seconds. Okay, we are back. The nails are fresh and out of the lamp. I think they turned out pretty cute, don't you? I think they turned out really, really cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure for today. Excuse me, I'm getting a little froggy. I think they turned out cute. I really do. I love the apples, how they are, how I did them. Not everyone colored in. And then how I colored the black glitter, the red hollow. I think those are really cute. I like that. I really do. I love the feathers. Don't forget, I have a giveaway going on. That's my important information coming across my desk for the sticky stamping polish from SheModern. I draw the 1st and the 15th of every month. One lucky winner each time will get a set of black and white sticky stamping polish of their own to discover the delightfulness of using a sticky stamping polish versus a non-sticky stamping polish. You can use glitters and pigments and foils and glitters. It's game-changing using something sticky on a stamping. It really does, and it picks up every image perfectly unless it's operator error. If you scrape too hard or not enough pressure. To enter my giveaway, don't forget it's open to everyone, but internationally you are responsible for your own shipping and duties and taxes. I pay the first $5 of shipping out of the U.S. So far we've had all U.S. entries. There's, I think, 2 international entries, but so far nobody international has won. You know, unfortunately. I want to give this out to so many people, but I only can draw twice a month. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. See you for the giveaway, November 1st. Don't forget this is in conjunction with Chicks and Kicks Stamping collaboration. They are a group of girls of us on YouTube and Instagram that do stamping once a month, and it's of our choice. My choice was this, my 3 little Indians, my apples and feathers. The playlist will be pinned down in the comments, so you can go give everybody a whirl that took place in that collaboration. This is also my SheModern Saturday. Hope you've enjoyed yourself today. I'm loving my little manicure. So leave me a comment down below. Let's get to know each other, peeps. If you're a returning person, please leave me a comment. Let's continue knowing each other on this journey of nail art. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.